So question 198, cos 10 plus sin 10 upon cos 10 minus sin 10 is equal to 10. We have to find out the value of this. So this is cos 10 degree plus sin 10 degree whole upon cos 10 degree minus sin 10 degree. So answer of this is 10, 45 degree plus 10 degree, because this is 10, so this is plus. If here is plus, then you have to take plus. I said you in earlier my class, right? So this is 1055 degree. That is your answer. That is option C is your correct answer. Right? Did you understand? You have a problem. I know. Right? Recalling your formula 10a plus b. Either suppose I am taking 10 pi by 4 plus theta. That is the best way to remember. Suppose I am taking 10 pi by 4 plus theta, then what is your formula? 10a plus b is 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a into 10b. This is your formula. This is first method, this is for second method. For first method I am giving you explanation how it comes, right? Now 10 pi by 4 is 1, so this is 1 and this is 10. I want to change this in sin cos, so I am writing sin theta upon cos theta whole upon. This is 1 minus 10 pi by 4 is 1 and this is sin theta upon cos theta. So if you take cos theta LCM, then cos theta plus sin theta whole upon cos theta minus sin theta. So if there is a plus in numerator, then your formula is 10 pi by 4 plus theta. If here is minus, then this is minus, this become plus. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus and this is plus. Then your formula is pi by 4 minus theta. If it is cos plus sin upon cos minus sin. If you don't understand in this, then take a, remember for this formula of 10, in left hand side denominator, you need 1 always. What you need? 1 always. If there is a sin cos and plus minus alternate. If here is minus, then you must have plus here. Then what you have to do? A second method. Right? This is your pure explanation for this both formula. Right? This formula must be restored in your mind. Okay? So this is cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta, plus is there, then 10 pi by 4 plus theta. So 10 pi by 4, that is 45 plus theta. Theta is 10, so I am writing 10, so it is answer 1055. If you don't understand in this, then this. Remember, for this formula you have in denominator left hand side, always 1. So taking cos 10 common, because I want 1 here, so taking cos 10 common from numerator as well as denominator, then your this becomes, I am writing directly here, I am not writing this. So taking cos 10 common, this is 1 plus 10, because sin upon cos is 10 upon 1 minus 10 degree. So this is nothing but, you have to remember this is pi by 4. So pi by 4 plus theta. So this is 10 pi by 4, either 45, right? Here is given in degree measure, so I am writing in degree measure, pi by 4 plus, what is theta? Theta is 10 degree. So your answer is 1055. So remember this thing also, that another formula, 10 pi by 4, either 45 plus theta is equal to 1 plus 10 theta upon 1 minus 10 theta. Then you have 10 pi by 4 plus theta. So you have two formula. 10 pi by 4 plus theta is cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Either 1 plus 10 theta upon 1 minus 10 theta. You can use any one formula among out of these two. Right? Now this is similarly. Now this is 10a minus 10b. Now 10a minus 10b. If this is the formula 10a minus 10b, then this is minus and this is plus. Right? So 10 50 minus 40. A is 50, b is 40. So what is your formula? 10 50 minus 40 is 10a minus 10b. I am writing 50 and 40, but saying that this is a and b upon using this formula 1 plus 1050 into 1040. पता चला क्या किया? मैं क्या बोलता था, मैंने ये ले लिया a minus b, so a minus b, for that means it is a formula for 10 a minus b, so I am applying formula of 10 a minus b. A is 50, b is 40, is this, right? Is equal to 1050 into 1040 upon 1 plus 1050 into 1040. That is the formula. Now separating this, what we get? 10 degree. So 10 degree is equal to 1050 degree minus 1040 degree upon 1 plus 1050. Can I write like this as a cot 40? Can I write like this is 1050 is cot 40? So this is cot 40 and this is 1040. Now 10 and cot are reciprocal of each other. That means the multiplication of this is 1. That you know. Now taking 10 to here, this is 2. I am taking this. This is 1. So I am writing 1. 10 theta into cot theta is 1. That you know. Right? So 10 theta into cot theta 1 and for 1050 it's a cot 40, 1040 cot 40, 90 minus theta. 1090 minus theta is cot theta, that you know, you learn in 10th standard, right? So I'm taking this 1 plus 1 as 2 is here and this is 1050 minus 1040 divided by 10 degree. I'm taking this to here. What is this? This is your question. So what is your answer? 2. That is option number C is your correct answer. So option number C is your correct answer. Now you have to find out the value of this. Given that cot 15 degree is n, means your mission target is one given hint is you have to convert these all angles in 15 degree, right? So 225 and 15, that is 10 340, that is 10 340 minus 15 degree, but 340 is your known value or not? That you don't know. Then what to do? 10 345, 10 345. So what to do? That is also not a known value, right? So either change this degree in 15, either your known value. So 225 is 180 plus 45. So I am changing this. I am writing directly. This is equal to 10 180 plus 45 degree is 225. Now 345. Now for 345, 360 minus 15 is your known value. So this is plus 10 360 minus 15 degree. This is your known value upon 10 195, that is 180 plus 15. So you have to convert these degrees in either 15, either in your known value, right? That is pi plus theta, pi plus 2 theta, whatever it will, 3 pi by 2 plus theta, pi 180 plus theta, 270 plus theta, 360, 90 plus theta, 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, like that. So this is 10 195 is 10 180 plus 15 degree and minus 105 is 10 90 plus 15. This is the change, right? ये आपको पता होना ही चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें ये जो एंगल है, सब एंगल, उसकी वैल्यू पता नहीं है, हम जानते भी नहीं है क्या वैल्यू आएगी, राइट? तो इसको 15 डिग्री आइदर नॉन वैल्यू में, नॉन वैल्यू में 30 पता है, 45 60 90 ये आपको स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू है वो पता है, तो इसमें आपको चेंज करना है. दैट इज द हिंट, अदरवाइज नथिंग देयर. इफ फर्स्ट वी थिंक फॉर दिस 25, देन 210 plus 15 25, but 210 is not your known value, 240 is not your known value, so we leave that. Then we comes to here 180 plus 45 is known value, right? If you add 30, then 195. 195 is not known value, and adding this 30, 255, that is also not known value. So you have to convert this type of angles in known value, right? So these all are known value. Now 180 means pi, that you know now, you are expert now. Here is 180. So 180 plus theta, that is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan is positive and no change. So answer of this is 1045, right? Now 360 is here, that you know. So 360 minus, plus, here is minus. So 360 minus, that is in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant tan is negative, so minus, change, no change. So answer is 1015 degree whole upon. This is 180 plus 15. 180 is here, plus in second quadrant tan is negative, so minus 1015 degree. 90 plus theta, that you know, 1090 plus theta, 90 is here, plus second quadrant, 10 is negative, so this is plus, and this is cot 15 degree. This is cot 15 degree. Now you are given value of cot 15 is m. So cot 15 is m, that implies tan 15 is 1 upon m. So this implies tan 15 degree is 1 upon m, because tan is the reciprocal of cot. So tan 45 is 1. So I am substituting that value, minus tan 15. You are given this value, so never use tan 15's value, root 2 minus 1. Right? So tan 15 is 1 upon m. So 1 upon m whole upon. I think tan 15 is not root 2 minus 1. It's 22 and a half. Minus tan 15 is 1 upon m, and cot 15 is m. So after simplifying this, m is the LCM, so will be got. So what we get? M minus 1 upon m into m square. So minus 1 plus m square. That is m minus 1 upon m square minus 1. M square minus 1. Yeah. What we make a mistake to write this is minus, this become plus. Okay. So this is m minus 1 upon, it should be m square minus 1 is 1015. Okay. Here we make a mistake. So this is okay. 180 plus 15. 180 plus 15 in third quadrant tan is positive. So this is plus, this is plus. So this is 1 plus m square. So option A, either way, anyway, option A is your correct answer. So option A is your correct answer. So be careful about the sign of the function. Right? Tan pi plus theta, third quadrant tan is positive. Right? In our mind, we think for cos, I think. So that's why we are writing minus here. But it is tan, so it's plus. So this is your answer. So I am going to give you some more examples for practice, which we did in our previous lectures. So do at home, right? Do it yourself. Question number 101. Cos 245 plus sin 155. You have to find the value. That is, this is 270 minus 45. Either you can use 30 plus 15, and this you can find out the value. Now A is 100. Answer of this is 0. A is 125 and X is this. So sin 125 plus cos 125 change in known value, we will get X is greater than 0. That is lies in first quadrant. So tan theta is this, tan alpha is this. Then you have to find out theta plus alpha. So apply formula of tan theta plus alpha. Right? So tan theta plus alpha, and you will get answer is 1, and 1 is nothing but tan pi by 4. So removing this tan function, you will get theta plus alpha is equal to pi by 4. That is your answer. So apply this formula, get answer 1, right? And 1 is tan pi by 4. So theta plus alpha is pi by 4. That is your answer. Now this is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. You know, answer of this is cos 2 theta. So answer of this is cos 2 theta. Right? So 2 theta is 15 degree. So answer is cos 30 degree. This is the formula for cos 2 theta. theta is 15 degree. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2, that is your answer. So no need to write degree 10, 15 value and simplify. You have for this is the formula, right? Now it is given in triangle ABC if tan A is equal to half and tan B is equal to 1/3, then you have to find out the C. Now, as I told you, in triangle ABC means you have to take A plus B plus C is equal to pi sum of the all angles. Means 3 angles is always 180, that you know. So, in triangle ABC, what you know? A plus B plus C is equal to pi, that you know. You have to find out C. So, pi minus A plus B, that is your answer. Now you want C, but it is given value of tan A and tan B, so you have to insert tan function here. So inserting tan function, tan C is equal to tan, this is pi minus A plus B, and tan pi minus theta, second quadrant, tan is minus, so minus 10, no change, answer is A plus B. Right? Now applying the formula of tan A plus B, that is very simple for you. So this is minus, a formula for this is tan A plus tan B whole upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Right? This is a revision period. We are revised all formulas, so I am not going to write a separate formula because this is the simple formula and straightforward formula. Now tan A is 1/2, so I am writing here minus 1/2. This is minus 1/2 plus tan B is 1/3 whole upon 1 minus 1/2 into 1/3. Remember one thing, always use proper brackets in mathematics, either in anywhere where you are solving numericals. So this is 6 LCM, so always cross multiplying this. What we get? Here is 6 LCM, here is 6. So 3 plus 2, that is 5. And this is 6 minus 1. Right? So answer of this is minus 5/5, that is 1. So answer is minus 1. Right? So C is minus 1. This is the answer of tan C. This is answer of tan C. Right? And triangle is given means angle lies between 0 to 180. And 0 to 180 means first two quadrant, because these are the values. This is 0, this is 90 and this is 180. So angle lies between these. So C lies between these two. This is the value for pi by 4. But this is minus. Minus means tan is lies in second quadrant, and second quadrant pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4. So this is C is equal to 3 pi by 4, because this is a value of tan C. Right? So C is either minus 1, either you can write tan pi minus pi by 4. Second quadrant pi minus pi by 4. So C is equal to pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4. You can write directly as a minus. Why minus we are taking? This is minus, but why we are taking in this angle in second quadrant? Because tan is negative in second quadrant and positive in first quadrant. As this is minus, so we are considering second quadrant as our answer, not first quadrant. And why only 1 to 180? 0 to 180, why only? Because it is given triangle ABC, and for triangle ABC sum of the all angle is 180, not more than 180. So we are considering from 0 to 180, right? This is negative, tan is negative in second quadrant. That's why we are considering this as a 3 pi by 4. Got it? Otherwise 1 is the pi by 4. But due to minus, we are considering in second quadrant. Right? In first quadrant it is positive. That's why answer of this is 3 pi by 4. Similarly, same type of questions for triangle ABC, sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C and cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C. What is the answer? That we are going to solve in next. Yeah. So question number 106. In triangle ABC, if measure of angle A equal to pi by 2, then cos square A, cos square B, cos square C, and sin square A, sin square B, sin square C. Two questions are there. Right? As I told you right? So triangle ABC is given, and in that my angle of A is pi by 2. So for triangle ABC, what do you know? For triangle ABC, you know that A plus B plus C is equal to pi. But it is given angle A is pi by 2. So pi by 2 plus B plus C is equal to pi. That is B plus C is equal to pi minus pi by 2. 180 minus 90 is 90. So pi by 2. So angle B is equal to pi by 2 minus C. Angle B is pi by 2 minus C. Right? Now we have to find out the value of this. So what we get? First question is cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C. This is our first question. Now A is pi by 2. So substituting value pi by 2, cos square pi by 2 plus B is pi by 2 minus C. So cos pi by 2 minus C whole square, and cos square C as it is because we don't know the changing of C. So keeping C as it is. You can formulate here from here subject to C, then keep B as it is. So you can change any one. So now cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So answer of this is 0 square. Now this is cos pi by 2 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta, that you know from 10th standard. So this is sin C whole square, and this is cos square C. So this is 0 plus sin square C plus cos square C. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So answer of this is 1. So answer is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So are you able to saying that what is the answer of this? Yes, it's 2 because sin 90 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. See how this is given sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C, right? So you have to remember this for right angle triangle, right? If any angle is pi by 2, any, not A, not only A, any angle is one angle is pi by 2, then cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C is 1, and sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C is 2. Remember this statement for competitive exam, right? Now sin A is sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1. So sin pi by 2 I am writing whole square. B is pi by 2 minus C. So this is plus sin pi by 2 minus C whole square, and plus keeping sin square C as it is. Now sin pi by 2 is 1. So 1 square is 1 plus. Now sin pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. So this is cos square C. So this is cos square C plus this is sin square C, and cos square C plus sin square C is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So remember this result for right angle triangle, sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C is 2, and cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C is 1. This is very useful result for 12th standard also, and for useful for competitive exam GUJCAT and JEE. Okay, so remember this as a result.